Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to move a part to origin. So we have this example object and I will move the objects to the origin point. So you click on the transform tools and then set translate by line. For the entities, you can select the 3D object, and for line or points, I will click from this point. Now you can click the origin point to move. If you don't, you can click the icons, green icons to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorial, how to move a part to the origin point.